and today we are going to change up a very traditional beverage. Rather than having regular, plain, simple orange juice, we're going to get orange juice with a twist. We'll be making cinnamon orange juice. This is great for parties or if you want to impress. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 3 oranges and 1/4 cup of cinnamon syrup. Now, if you don't know how to make cinnamon syrup, I'm going to link in the icons above in the description box below. This makes it so easy and it gives it an extra pizzazz. Our first step is to peel the oranges. Then we're going to add them to our Vitamix, our food processor, or our regular blender if that's what you have, and add our cinnamon syrup, and then it's done. Really quick and easy. I've removed all of the seeds from our oranges. Now we're going to just add them to our Vitamix blender. Or remember, you can use whatever blender you have, food processor, juicer, whatever you can to extract the juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to add our cinnamon syrup. This smells so good. We'll add some water and then we're ready. Orange juice is done. It literally takes no time at all. Now we're going to strain it just to remove the excess pep, which we will use later. Chill and serve. Let's taste. So good, so refreshing. Somehow drinking cinnamon orange juice reminds me of Christmas. It just has this fragrant, flavorful taste. Cinnamon orange juice. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this cinnamon orange juice beverage, I want you to look over here, see some of my other beverages, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.